Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. Taking a look here at my Python assignment that we're doing here for this Python Coding Challenge 1. And so it starts off by saying, hey, pick a number between 1 and 4. And then this is going to ultimately generate a random number. All right, so if I say 1, all right, think about it. It says your random number is 9, so that was just dumb luck. And I'll run it again here. And then the program's going to print every single number from 1 until the random number that the program generated. So you can see right there, and that says, and that's every number between 1 and 9. All right, let me just run it again, and we'll just do 1 again, and we should get a different number. Yeah, 1. All right, what are the odds of that? So there's every number is 1. Okay, we'll do it again, and let's do one more time there. And oh man, what are the odds of getting 1 again? All right. There we go. That time it was 6. There we go. What are the odds of getting 1 again? Well, that was like 1 in 10. All right. So let's see. All right. Let's do it one more time. Like I could pick a 2-digit random number, and it happened to be 25. And if I kind of scroll up, you can see it. It printed all of those. I could do a 3-digit random number. All right. That happened to be 108. Let's do one more and say 4. And we can see, wow, 7,734. And if I scroll up, we can see it printed every single number between, those two spots. And we can see it's just going to take a while to, man, there are a lot of numbers there. I basically ran out of space on it. What happens if I, just out of curiosity, hit a number like 5? That is not between 1 and 4. 1 is not between 1 and 5 is not between 1 and 4. Try again. All right, how about 9? That's totally going to work, right? No, 9 is not between 1 and 4. Try again. All right, so I'm just going to say 3 and 388. So it prints all of them. Okay. Now it says, how many numbers do you want to enter now? And I'll say 7. Okay. And so what it's going to do, it's going to make me then pick 7 random numbers on my own. All right, so let's say 23, 51, how about 60, how about 2, how about 120, yeah, 120, 90, 87. All right, so there we go. All right, so what did it just do? It did a couple of things. It's going to print all of the random numbers I just selected. So we can see in 23, 51, 62, 120, 90, 87. It says I entered a total of 7 numbers. Excellent. It says if you add those numbers together, the total is 433. So if you want to pause it and get a calculator and see if that's right, go ahead. The largest number you entered was 120. Let's check that. Yep, 120 was the largest number I entered. The smallest number you entered was 2. Yep, there it is. All right. And let's see here. And then it says 23 is an odd number, 51 is an odd number, 60 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 120 is an even number, 90 is an even number, 87 is an odd number. There are 4 even numbers. Those even numbers are 62, 120, and 90. There are 3 odd numbers. Those odd numbers are 23, 51, and 87. And so that meets all of the requirements. If you take a look in Schoology, it's kind of spelled out all the things that I'm asking it to do there in that where you're going to be doing several things. So you're going to be using some while loops. You're going to be using some for loops. You're going to definitely have to use the modulo here. So I would go back and check out that modulo video. It's pretty short. You're going to do like some kind of incremental counters almost, if you want to call them, where it's going to be kind of tallying up all of those things. I'm doing appending items to lists, so appending all the even numbers to one list so I can print those out, appending all the odd numbers to another list so I can print those out. I also just appended the general numbers that a person was adding, so we can see all of those things taking effect there. All right, guys, so I'm looking forward to seeing your program, and I will talk to you later.